Grammar Banarike sequence. Okay, take on girl 1, then negative 1 over 3, 1 over 7, negative 1 over 15, 1 over 31, negative 1 over 63, y that. So, cook all go y can z. Take on k, kb, kc, kd. Go on value y can z. Okay, solution. Kenya man banangaj sequence and me. Ala bana pattern. Dua banjal ke bana gor. Gua mati kon ke 1. 1 de kon gor 1 over what? Over 1. Fair go ke 1 telerek. Okay. So to kon ke 1 ping gua me. To kon ke 1 yal 1 ping. Mene je gwich. 1 negative 1. 1 negative 1. 1 negative 1. So it's the same. Bukona bana positive 1 negative 1. Positive 1 negative 1. Wona ke good. Okay. Ci kon pattern nyal ci kon ngajada. Okay, ka pattern in the pin. Gua mati kon ke 1. 1 minus 3. Gua mati kon ke 1. 1 minus 3 bade. Ba 2. Okay. Ci kon ngajada. Then 3 minus 7 is 4. 15 minus 8 minus 7 is no. 15 minus 7 by 8. Okay. Again, 15 minus 31 by 16. Okay. Then 63 minus 31 is 32. Okay. 32. So the same thing. A lot different can number me. Many pattern many with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So she con time garo. She con double, she con 4. She con 4, she con double, she con 8. She con 8, she con double, she con 16. 16 she con double, she con 32. Con go ba le ko wa me. Da kula mu de pin mo ko ngai con no number in bit ni along 1 ko to negative 1 go 1. Ka da yo ni al bit ni mutani yo bit ni negative 1 ten. Okay. So a number in that y that go y come up pin de. Okay. The same thing again pattern a kilo. So ban 32 con time good. 32 mo con time good. Con double. 32 times 2 4. Therefore a 64. Different kind of number quick con mo can 63 a 64. So number mo con ko le jegde ban 64 me mo ko la different. Mo con mar can 63. Okay. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. So number me is 127. Okay. Different day no is 64. Different 32 minus 127 is 64. Okay, ke different. Can number don't quick on ma y. Bango. So bukon nyok le lu nyok 64 bukon nyok double. So bukon different. Can number me 127 can number quick on me the pin that come on. Bukon ko le jak. So channel double. 64 times 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. So 128. So bukon number the pin that ka bukon jak. Bukon 128 bukon mat gadi ke 127. 127 plus 128. Okay. 8 plus 7 and 15. 1 up. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So number the pin y about by 255. Different 255 minus 127. That what is the difference? Kakandaro. The same thing at 128. At 128. Go as 64 times what? Times 2. 8. So therefore the difference. 127 can 255 a day. And 128. Okay? So take on A, K, B, K, C, K, D. And third bangunda. Y. Y with about positive divided by what? 1, 2, 7. Then value ko Y. Z. By negative ko fata na jan kelo. Minime 1. Being aja meradenu and negative 1. Okay? Therefore, A2, 5, 5. So imagine final and there. Because you can A can A B. So answer remote a B. 1 over 127 and negative 1 divided by 255. So we are taking 1.